Web form leads go cold faster than most businesses realize. If someone submits an inquiry through your website and doesn't hear back quickly, there's a high chance they'll move on and contact someone else instead. Because in today's market, speed matters. The business that responds first is often the business that wins the job. That's why QuickConnect LeadDialer, part of iwithin Solutions, is built entirely around speed to lead. The moment a new web form is submitted, the system can instantly trigger a phone call, send an automated text reply, or launch an email follow-up within seconds. No delays. No waiting for someone on your team to notice the inquiry later. Instead, your business responds while the customer is still actively thinking about your service. QuickConnect LeadDialer helps bridge the gap between online interest and real human conversation. It captures momentum at the exact moment the lead is ready to engage. The system can also help qualify inquiries, gather key details, and route leads to the right person automatically, reducing manual workload while improving response time. So instead of letting valuable web forms sit unread in an inbox, your business stays active, responsive, and ready to convert opportunities in real time. Because every minute of delay increases the chance of losing the lead. QuickConnect LeadDialer gives your business the speed, consistency, and responsiveness it needs to win more jobs with iwithin Solutions.